Welcome to Planter Garden TV. I'm just here today walking through my okra field, picking okra. Watch guys, every 2 to 3 days, if I don't come in this garden, what I come and meet is my okra them already hard. You see? This one, I naturally got to stretch up my hand to reach the top. But the thing is, if I don't come every 2 or 3 days, I will not able to get any okra. By the time I reach, they're gonna get hard. You know? But look at this one. Hard. This one is hard. This one is hard. All of them is hard. So I cannot stay more than 3 days from this garden. You see? Look how much already get hard on this one. Like 5 already. Look at this one again. All these get hard. So the good thing about okra, every time if you plant enough in your field, in your garden, every 2 days you will have more than enough. You see? Every 2 days. Because I have a good bit of them. I have a good bit. And you see I have some all down here. So this is basically my okra patch. But if I don't come every 3 days, a lot of them going to get hard. And then when they get hard, you really can't get no juice from them. You know, that defeat the purpose. Some people boil the seed, but what I do, I leave the seed to dry. So when the seed dry, I save them for next to replant. But right now, this is just harvest time. Every 2 days, you're gonna harvest okra. So if you have a big family, you just need to plant at least 20 okra trees. And every 2 days, you will have enough okra for your family. Okay? So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.